Today I want to talk to you about something that affects many of us during perimenopause. Perimenopause irritability, mood swings, and other perimenopause symptoms. If you're in your 40s or beyond and experiencing mood changes during perimenopause, this video is for you. And stick around to the end for my top 4 DIY natural remedies for perimenopausal mood swings and irritability, or check the description timeline to jump ahead to the remedies. Welcome back to my channel. I am Stacey Paulson. I am a health coach and a mother of 6 kids. I have been using natural remedies for the past 13 years, and I help women to overcome their challenges with their health naturally so that they can live life fully. First of all, let's understand the importance of recognizing the changes we're going through. It's crucial for us to know that these mood swings and shifts might be related to the hormonal transitions happening during menopause. Knowledge is power, and understanding how hormonal changes affect mood swing during perimenopause is essential for finding solutions. Most women are aware that during pregnancy, they might experience depressive symptoms that can significantly disrupt their lives. However, I don't think most women or their partners know about this with respect to perimenopause. So it's important to raise awareness that it's perfectly normal for women to experience perimenopausal mood swings and irritability during this phase. In fact, we know that as women transition from being premenopausal, from having regular periods, to the time in their lives where their periods become more irregular, that perimenopause, the onset of that is associated with a worsening of mood. Oh yeah, just another fun thing for us and our loved ones to deal with, right? But let's make sure this is associated with normal perimenopause symptoms and not something else. So let's address the question. If you're a woman feeling more agitated and having periods of feeling a little unhappy, when do you begin to recognize that maybe this is because of hormonal changes during perimenopause, or maybe this is something more? It's important to recognize when perimenopause irritability and mood changes co-occur with other perimenopause symptoms, such as hot flashes and night sweats. Most women will sense this when they wake up at night due to sweating and their sleep is disrupted or possibly even extended, leading to perimenopausal mood swings. Research shows that this significantly affects a woman's quality of life, especially these symptoms if they're persistent. But hang with me for just a second, then I'll share the most important lifestyle intervention you can do at home. However, if you find yourself saying, I've lost interest in the things that give me pleasure, I don't like to spend time with my friends as much anymore, I find that I'm at home more and I want to be alone. Just for example, if it disrupts your social quality of life, relationships, or work-related quality of life during perimenopause, then it's important to get help. Do something about it. For most of us, occasional perimenopausal mood swings and irritability is normal and manageable with natural at-home solutions. First and foremost, let's not forget the power of self-care. Do you want to know the #1 lifestyle intervention for perimenopause mood swings and irritability? Recently, a panel of experts reviewed all the clinical trials to see if there was a lifestyle intervention that appeared more beneficial than others for perimenopause mood swings and irritability. The one lifestyle intervention that appeared to benefit perimenopausal depressive symptoms more than anything else was physical activity and exercise. Indeed, most women don't know that even for people with depression, physical activity in randomized trials and through the best quality scientific designs we have has effects that are sometimes as great or even greater than antidepressants during perimenopause. Give this video a thumbs up if you think that that's great news. I love that we have something we can do without medication and side effects to improve our perimenopausal mood swings and irritability. This puts control into our hands. Before I share my DIY natural remedies that you can use in conjunction with physical activity and exercise, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you get notified each time a new video comes out. And remember, you're not alone in this journey of perimenopause. Many of us in midlife are experiencing similar feelings. Let me share with you 4 natural remedies for self-care that may help with perimenopausal mood swings and irritability so that you can embrace this phase, take care of yourself, and know that you have the power to navigate through perimenopause with grace and strength. Natural remedy #1 is the perimenopause mood boosting smoothie. Let's start with a delicious mood boosting smoothie. This recipe is packed with ingredients that can help regulate mood swings and alleviate irritability. Begin by combining a ripe banana, 1 cup of blueberries, and a tablespoon of chia seeds, a cup of spinach, and a cup of almond milk. Blend it all together until smooth, and this smoothie is not only refreshing, but it also provides essential nutrients like potassium, antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, and magnesium that help regulate mood and emotions. Sip on this smoothie whenever you need a natural mood enhancer. Natural remedy number 2 is chamomile tea. There's something magical about a warm cup of tea. Roman chamomile, in particular, is known for its calming properties. Steep a chamomile tea bag in a cup of hot water for a few minutes, and if you like it, add a teaspoon of honey for a touch of sweetness. Sip this beverage whenever you need to soothe your mind and find a moment of tranquility. Natural remedy number 3, stress release essential oil roller. Essential oils have been used for centuries to promote relaxation and balance. Create your own roller blend by combining 5 drops of lavender essential oil, 3 drops of frankincense essential oil, and then 2 drops of bergamot essential oil. Add this blend to a roller bottle and fill it up with a carrier oil of your choice. Apply the roller to your wrists, to your temples, or on the back of your neck whenever you feel your emotions spiraling. Take a deep breath and let the calming aroma work its magic. I will link up a video on how to make essential oil roller bottle remedies in the description and up in the cards, as well as my free essential oils guidebook with more recipes, tips, and tricks to use essential oils. And natural remedy number 4 is the Perimenopause Energize Your Mood essential oil blend that you put in your diffuser. This next remedy involves the power of aromatherapy. Create an energized and uplifting environment in your home with this essential oil diffuser blend. You combine 3 drops each of rosemary, peppermint, and grapefruit essential oil. Add this blend to your diffuser, turn it on, and let the happy, invigorating aroma fill the room. Rosemary is known as the oil of knowledge and transition, helping with mental clarity and mental fatigue. Who doesn't need that? Peppermint can uplift your mood, helping with despair, sadness, and a heavy heart. And then grapefruit helps you honor your body to have acceptance, self-acceptance through all of the transitions during perimenopause and to reduce irritability. Take a deep breath, inhale that beautiful scent, and feel your mood shift. Then check out this next video on essential oils and emotions if you want to learn how to use these natural tools safely and effectively, or if you're dealing with other perimenopause symptoms like hot flashes, then check out my perimenopause playlist here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.